Hello, welcome to my channel Study Easy. Today's topic is inverse of complex number. This is the part 3 of complex number. If you don't know addition, subtraction and multiplication division, it will be difficult to understand this topic. So, if you want to learn it, then you can go to description box where I have provided link of that videos. So, let's start inverse of complex number. To take inverse of complex number, we need one complex number. If we take an example of 3 plus 4i, which is x plus iy, a complex number. So, it will be z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Its inverse. So, let me tell you the theory of inverse is z inverse means 1 by z. 1 by z means 1 by x plus iy. If we have studied that earlier, if we are having a complex digit in a denominator, then we need to remove the imaginary part. To remove the imaginary part, we need to conjugate multiplication and division. So, conjugates multiplication and division can be done like this, that we have already studied in a division. So, by multiplying this, we get x minus iy, the same numerator because there is a 1 in numerator, and denominator it is again x plus y multiplication with x minus y. So, it will become x square minus y square, which is the function of algebra. Now, again I square will be replaced by minus 1. So, minus 1 will gives you the plus sign, minus minus plus. So, x square plus y square, and it will result in x by x square plus y square, plus or minus. If a question is in a plus sign or a positive, then the answer will be negative. And if a question is having a positive sign, then the answer will be in negative. Imaginary part iy by x square plus y square. Let's understand it with an example that we have taken 3 plus 4i. Here z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Now we can put this 1 by 3 plus 4i, its conjugate 3 minus 4i, and the result will be 3 by 25 minus I4 25. Now, this is the lengthy method. If you would be asked finding inverse, might be you get this question in your MCQs. So, for that, if you are doing this long method, it will consume time. For that, you need to get shortcut, which is this equation. If you remember this equation, you need to just put the values. Now, in this same example, if you take, this is the example 3 plus 4i, and in that example, you are having x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So, just put this value. Let me show you both equation and the values. X is equal to 3, x plus iy square, x square plus y square, which is 3 square plus 4 square, minus, because here it is a positive sign between the question, real part and imaginary part. So, 3 by 25 minus 4i by 25. The same answer you are getting with the same method, but this is the lengthier one and this is the short and easiest one. Now let's take another some examples to understand inverse of complex number. Now this is the example 2 minus 3i. This is the algebraic function that we all know. X minus y whole square can be solved like x square minus 2xy plus y square. The same way we are solving this as 2 square, 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12i minus plus 3 square, it's 9, and I square again. I square we will replace with minus 1. So 9 will become minus and it will be added into the real part, which is plus 4. Plus 4 and minus 9 will result in minus 5. And this is the minus 12i. So now the z will become minus 5 minus 12i rather than 2 minus 3i whole square. So if we put this in a question that we want to find inverse. So 1 by 2 minus 3i whole square will result in 1 by minus. If we take minus sign common, then the sign under the bracket will be changed. So sign will be plus 5 plus 12i. Now solving this by the equation that we have solved, x by x square plus y square minus yi x square plus y square. The result will be minus 5 square plus 12 square minus 12i 5 square plus 12 square. So the answer will be minus 5 by 169 minus 12i 1 by 169. Now the next example is 4 plus 3i by 5 minus 3i. Now the z is 4 plus 3i by 5 minus 3i. So the inverse will be like that, 1 by 4 plus 3i by 5 minus 3i. So denominator will come into the numerator. So the inverse of z, now inverse of z will become 5 minus 3i by 4 plus 3i. Now you know the rest. How to solve the part of imaginary to be cancelled out by conjugate, multiplication of two numerators and the two denominator. It will result in 11 minus 77i by 25. To write the answer properly, we will write it as 11 by 25 minus 27 by 25i. So this is the answer. That's it. Thus, only need to concentrate in these three examples. You will get number of questions be solved by these three examples. To know more and to learn this easy method, please subscribe. Thank you.